Hello and welcome. I'm now inside of a Go High Level sub account and I want to show you how to best use the videos for System.io. And so basically what you want to do wherever you have your membership. So wherever you're holding your courses, wherever your customer is watching all of your video training, you're just going to go into the video training. And every time that you have a customer on a watch page, it's an opportunity. And so basically, the idea with system is that you're going to tell people that this is how they can learn to run their own online business with one entire set of resources. Now, obviously, you're going to have to train them on how to use system to run their online business, and that's where you're going to be using our courses. And all you're really going to do, wherever you have your videos hosted, you want to give some kind of call to action. And here, we're just going to put a link here. I'm going to then put in my system.io affiliate link. And I might size this up or I might bold this. And I'm going to click save. And so it doesn't matter what the course is. What you're going to be doing is you're saying, well, if you get this through my affiliate link, I'm going to train you on how to use the system. So maybe your call to action might need to include this, right? Free training provided, contact support. So when they sign up for System.io, this is how they're going to get access to your free training that you're going to be giving them on System.io. So I'm going to save this and let's preview this page, this watch page. And so this is going to be the watch page for the customer. And so they're going to watch the video on this page, but they're also going to see that they can learn to run their own online business through System.io. Now, if you don't like that call to action, you can get another call to action. Maybe you want to use ChatGPT or Gemini to tell you what the right call to action is going to be. But you basically want to have a link here that's going to say, hey, you can run your entire online business using System.io, and then we're going to provide you free training when you do that if they contact you in your support area. Now, I did that in the Go High Level sub account mainly because Ultimate Insiders get access to their own sub account when they are subscribed. But you can do the same thing if you're not an Ultimate Insider and you have access to a member area. Let's say that you actually do use System.io in order to run your online business. You're going to do the same thing. You're just going to go to the watch page where they're going to see any video course. So it doesn't matter what the video course is. It doesn't have to be about system. In fact, it shouldn't be about system. They should be able to see any other video except your System.io videos. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just put in here a text. This is a very simple call to action. Run your online business using system. Okay, so there's my link. There's my call to action. I'm going to save it. I'm going to exit this page and we'll just take a look to see what this is going to look like here. I'm going to click view. And this is what the customer is going to see. So they've got their page where they're going to watch the video, and then they've got the link to my affiliate link to System.io. And basically, you're going to only give them access to the training if they say subscribe to System.io. In your System.io account, if you go to the dashboard area, you click on affiliate dashboard. That's where you're going to see who your subscribers are, who has purchased System.io through your account. See the leads and you'll see who purchased within the last 30 days. And so again, so the only people that you're going to give access to the training that you're getting from us, let's say that you get our bundle and that you make this training available, you're going to tell them that yes, you can have access to the training. We'll train you for free as long as you have purchased System.io through our affiliate link. Otherwise, you're going to set it up for sale to them. So there are going to be some people who have already got their System.io subscription. They're not going to be able to turn their subscription over to you. So then you'll want to set a price. You're going to set a monthly price, however you want to set it, whatever the price you want to set it. I would not set it less than $27 or $37 and probably 97 on the high side, depending on who your customers are. But again, if they get access to System.io here and they show up here, then you continue to give them access to all of the training that you're going to set up in a bundle. If you want to run a discussion community for those same people, you can do that in System.io. And so if you set up a new community for the individuals that are going to access your System.io training, you can put them all inside of a community. And basically, you're going to do that where you're going to say that the trigger is going to be that they're going to get access to a course. So let's say you're going to say, hey, if you're enrolled in this course, and the course is going to be the people that you put in manually to the System.io training course, right? Let's say that, we're just going to use this as an example. And basically going to say then that the action we're going to do is we're going to then give them access to a community. And this is going to be your System.io community. Now, I'm just doing this as an example. These are not the right names, but you're saying that if I enroll you in this System.io account course, I'll also give you access to this community. Now, that's only if you want to maintain the community. You don't have to do that. But you're basically giving people these things if they stay subscribed to System.io through your affiliate link. Again, you can do the same thing if you're an Ultimate Insider. You can start it just an automation here. I'm going to say auto save, and the trigger is going to be that they're going to get access to a course, right? You say that if a course is, if let's say a product access is granted, so if you put them inside of the product, then what you're going to do here is you're going to say, and I've got to go through this entire process, so I've got to pick the course. Let's see. So we're just going to pick a course, and then we're going to save the trigger. So the trigger is that the product access is granted, and then what I'm going to say is the action I want is for them to be added to a community, right? So we want to grant them group access, right? And so you'll pick a group and save it. And so basically what you've done here inside of your Go High Level sub account is you've said that, hey, if I give you access to this System.io training course, you also get access to the discussion group at the same time. Again, that's only if you want to maintain a discussion group. You don't have to do that, but you can do that also. And you can add on anything else, right? And all you're really saying is that, well, hey, if you subscribe to System.io through my affiliate link, I'm going to give you the free training. I'm also going to give you access to some other stuff, whatever else you want to add on to this, right? So, if you say you can, maybe do set them up for the call, set them up with some other courses. You can do some other things if you have the sub account that we give you as an Ultimate Insider. We do have a bundle of 9 PLR courses you can use to set up your training and put it into your member area for the people that do to get subscribed to your System.io account. Check out the link in the description. Thanks and have a great day.